Welcome back to another video. Today we'll learn about find a pair with some key in a sorted array. So let me just write the topic again. So let me first create an array. So array name, let's suppose it's A. Let's create array of size 10. Okay, so the values would be 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 and 14. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What we can use here is two-pointer approach, but in a different way. What we'll do, we'll keep I here, we'll keep J here, and there will be some conditions of moving I and J. So what we'll do, if we don't get a pair, we decrement bigger value. Now as it's a sorted array, J will get decremented, right? Let me write the conditions. Like if we don't get pair, don't get pair, decrement bigger value. If we don't get pair means if we get a pair, if we don't get pair, which means if the value that we got is bigger than the sum that we need, only in that case we will decrement J. J will be minus minus, right? And if we get pair, we get the pair, will decrement, will increment I, decrement J, because I should be moving forward, right? The condition should be like if total means the total that we are finding by adding E of I and E of G. So by adding E of I and plus E of G, whatever value we are getting, so if that is greater than 10, we'll decrement G. If it is if total is less than 10, we'll increment I. Okay, so what we'll do, first I will be on 1. We need to find 10, right? Sum is k is equal to 10. Okay, so I will be on 1, J will be on 14. What it is making? It is making the value around 15, right? 15 is what? Greater than what? And this greater than 10. So J will decrement, J will come to 8. I will stay on 0. Again 12 plus 1 is what? 13. As this is a sorted array, so we can utilize this approach because bigger elements will be on last, smaller will be on first, right? So as we move I ahead, value will get increased, right? So we are using that trick to optimize the solution. So J will move to 8. 1 plus 12 is 13. Still it's big. So J will move to 7. 1 plus 10 is 11. Still it's big. J will move to 9. 9 plus 1 is what? 10. Our values match, right? 10 equal to k. K is the 10 is same and value as the sum we need to find. So both G and I will move to 1, G will move to 5. Okay. Both I and G will get changed. I will get incremented, G will get decremented. 3 plus 8, which is what? 11. So J will move to 6. And 3 plus 6 is what? 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will move to 2. 4 plus 6 is what? 10. Again we got a pair. First pair was what? 8. First pair was 9 plus 1, right? 9, 1. Second pair we got 6, 4. Again I and J both will get. So I, until I is less than J, only till then it will move less than or equal to J. Less than J, right? Not less than equal to, otherwise it will keep on adding the same value, which is not correct. So I is less than J, so it will stop here. It will stop here itself. Okay. Now the logic. So code would be, let me just write the code. I will initially start from 0. J will initially start from n minus 1. N is the length of the array. K is given as 10, 1, 0. So of course while would be I is less than J, only till then it will keep on moving. We will have our if condition. If E of I plus E of J double equals to K, only in that case we will print what? Print E of I comma E of J comma K. And in that case, if we find the pair, we'll increment I, decrement G. So that's it. In else condition, what we'll do? Elif or else if, whatever you want to say. So E of I plus E of J is less than K. If the value is less than K, what do? We increment I, the smaller value, right? So I plus plus. Now in else, The last condition which is remaining is if it's greater than k. So that would be the case. We'll do j minus minus, right? What will be the time complexity for this approach? Let me just while loop. What will be the time complexity for this approach? As you know, we are using only one loop, which is the one while loop. We are traversing through all the elements only once. We are not traversing through every element more than once. So that will be big O of n. Time complexity would be big O of n. Space complexity would be constant. We are not using any space, extra space. So yeah, that's it about finding a pair with some key in a sorted array. Thank you.